Take a look at this. $5.3 million all sitting in my Phantom wallet from deving meme coins. Not by trading, not by hype chasing, just by deving consistently. Stay tuned, I'll show you exactly how it's done in today's video. If you guys did not know, I used to trade meme coins every single day and night, 24/7, trying to make some money. Now yes, sometimes I made a couple $1,000s off a coin, but also I got completely rugged on most of the coins. And nowadays, that's the hard reality of it. The devs behind these coins are usually going to rug the coin to complete zero. That's what happens on 99% of these coins. And that's exactly when I learned the people winning are not traders. They're actually the devs. Deving coins is actually really fucking untapped because most people think that you can only make money from trading meme coins. Most people do not know that you can actually dev them yourself. And right now, Solana's fucking surging. It's above $245 and Bitcoin is breaking highs. This is your moment to start launching. Make sure to keep watching. You do not want to miss this video. And quick reminder, everything I show in today's video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice. Obviously cap! Now most people, when they think about deving, creating, launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain, they instantly switch to Pump.Fun because they think that on this platform they can print money by launching coins, and it also looks easy, but trust me bro, it's fucking over flooded. Thousands of new tokens are appearing every single hour and 99% of them die off instantly. Plus, you don't even control your own liquidity for your own coin, which means that you are, but on Create Tokens.io though, it's a completely different story, and it becomes immediately migrated on the Raydium DEX, which means buyers can trade it the second it's live and the second it hits the Raydium DEX. That means more volume, more control, and way better results in terms of profits. Now, deving on Create Tokens.io gives you two clean options and two new opportunities. The first opportunity is to create a coin from scratch. So first of all, you need to choose a narrative if you do not have one in mind. So go on X, right, which is Twitter, and look for something trending that you could make a coin off of. For example, Martin was casually hanging out with Chargers GM. Yeah, that could be decent, you know. You can't spend 3 weeks away from no one. Okay, no. Jay.crypto, no, that's bad. But yeah, bro, you get the gist. Once you have a meme, right, something viral, come back to Create Tokens.io, put the name of it, create a symbol for it, and then just take a screenshot and put it right here for the meme coin logo. Then click next, and after these steps, you are fucking done. Your coin is custom made. But if you want to make some generational wealth, it's the second option because it's the most profitable method. That's the copy trending coins tab. Now all these coins right here are all blowing up on Pump.Fun. All you have to do as a dev is just copy one, launch it instantly onto Raydium, and since the hype and volume are already built in, you will get instant traction and higher profits from the start, okay? Copying coins is a cheat code you guys will see in today's video. Alright, let's stop wasting time. I'm deving a coin right now live on camera so you can see how fast it actually happens. So make sure to watch. First of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected, right? Because obviously that's common sense. And then click on refresh list to have the new coins, and let's look for a coin to copy. To be honest bro, just go for something that catches your attention. In my opinion, I'm gonna go with the delinquent coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago, which means people are actively buying it, and a 40 grand market cap. So click on create coin, and then ignore the warning and the block from Phantom. Every single person is gonna get the same exact warning. It's completely normal. And then click on proceed, confirm, click the checkbox, and then click on confirm. And then after a couple seconds, you guys will see it pop up right here. Boom! If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on the blockchain. Everything looks good. Okay, 10 seconds ago, so it's all legit. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's super fucking simple. We're just adding liquidity into your own coin. That's what makes your coin instantly buyable and sellable onto Raydium. And this is what Pump.Fun does not give you guys the option to create, because Pump.Fun controls the liquidity, but you actually create it and you own it in your wallet. Okay, that's the best part about launching your own coins. Now, first of all is the amount token A. Just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Red unders for the amount token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any funds. They're just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that Solana comes right back inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why we say that we have nothing to lose. Okay, make sure you have enough in your wallet. Then put 0.35 SOL. Click on create pool and click on confirm. Right after, simply click on refresh for, and if you scroll down, boom, the delinquent coin is on live. Obviously the symbol is TRE, the pool ID is right here, and our profits are right here. Now if you do click on the refresh button once again, now our profits went up to $211 because people are now buying our coin, okay, our meme coin on the Raydium DEX. Dude, there's literally thousands of people like looking right now. Anyways, click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for you guys, just to see the chart better. Yeah. Let's see what happens in a couple seconds. Now the coin is live. Let's see what happens. Come on, it has to fucking spike, right? It has to. It literally has to, bro. Because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin. Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god! Okay, it's time to make some money on the coin now. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? Okay, should I dump the coin or not? Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump. I'm just getting started, okay? Guys, do not be emotional like me. Just let the coin pump because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin. That's how the Raydium DEX works. And bro, you have to be taking advantage of this golden opportunity, bro. Use create tokens.io. It's a cheat code. As you guys can see, we are making money in our sleep. Bro, while I'm talking to you guys, I'm making money, bro. I'm making money off YouTube AdSense, and I'm making money off this, bro. Like, dude. Dude, I'm literally exposing the method, bro. Now, I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump and load. And yeah, bro, once we're back, you guys will see the money in my wallet. Be right back. Okay, I am back. It looks like our coin is making higher highs and higher lows, which means it's in an uptrend, and that's a really good sign because yeah, it's bullish. Now, the market cap is at a 2.4k market cap, and we have 3k in volume, which means it's really good. Now, to make some money, come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And now, as you guys can see, our profits went up to $1.8 thousand because people are buying our coin actively on the DEX. Now, well, obviously, that's obvious. Look, we have a 2.1k market cap, so it's at a 1.8k P&L. And then click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin real quick. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount of money. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and obviously make some money. If I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made, boom! $1.8 thousand all in my wallet, and it's legit. Why isn't that loading? Boom, it loaded. Boom, it's all fucking real. I am exposing everything, okay? Because bro, I hate course sellers, okay? It's all real. Drop a sub, and yeah, bro, peace.